Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the GoMechanic Neutron 4500 car vacuum cleaner. On the front of the box, we have an image of the vacuum cleaner itself. On either side of the image, we have a few of the salient features. So let's go through them one by one. It has a portable size. It has a Hepa filter, large suction capacity, multiple nozzles, wet and dry function, and the Hepa filter is also washable. Up top, we can also see some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the right hand side of the box, we have some technical specifications of the product, like its voltage, which is 12 volts DC, power, which is 60 watts, and a maximum suction of 4500 PA. The materials used in the construction of this vacuum cleaner are ABS plastic and metal. The dimensions are 31 by 9 by 10 centimeters. The weight is 0.55 grams, and we can also see that we have the black color variant of this product. Below that, we have the importing and manufacturing details, and right on the bottom, we have the customer care details. The left hand side of the box is exactly the same as the right. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, and on top, we simply have some GoMechanic branding. We have nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what we have on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a quick start guide. This can help you out with using the various attachments and understand the various functions of this vacuum cleaner. Next up, we have a warranty card. It also has a QR code that can help you register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, we also have a thank you note from the brand. We can see that the product comes with a lot of attachments, so let's go through them one by one. Starting from the left, here we can see that we have an attachment that attaches with the hose type pipe. The other one goes on the other end of the hose, and now we can attach it to the vacuum cleaner. Basically, this attachment helps us to reach the hard to reach places inside the car, like under the seats or in the door pockets. We also have a brush type attachment, and you can use this to reach places that are hard to reach and have dust that has settled and become hard. So you can use the brush to brush off a little bit of the surface, and the vacuum cleaner will suck the dust in. We also have an extension module that helps you reach hard to reach places as well. Coming to the vacuum cleaner itself, we can clearly see that it has a black and red color theme going for it, with most of the body being black in color and the switches are in red. We have the on-off switch right here. It is easy to reach with your thumb. And above that, we have a button that lets you disassemble the vacuum cleaner. Over here, we can see the Hepa filter, and you can remove this attachment to clean the Hepa filter when it has become too dirty. And when you're done with it, you can put it back and assemble it like this. On top, we also have some GoMechanic branding. There's nothing on the bottom, nor is there anything on the side. When it comes to the cable, we have measured it out to be approximately 9 feet long. And at the end of the cable, we have the attachment that goes into the 12 volt socket of a car. That's how the vacuum cleaner is powered. So this was the unboxing of the GoMechanic Neutron 4500 car vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.